welcome to Knowledge of Physio classes. Today's topic, which I am going to record it is the progressive resistant exercises. Okay, in that progressive resistance exercises, we will learn different types of things, which is definitions of it. Okay, and then we have principles, which is written down. Dynamic and static power testing is also in this video. Now what I have to do in the progressive resistance exercise. Now progress करना है तो resistance में. Are you getting my point? Progressive resistance. अगर इसकी definition है progressive resistance exercise की, so what should be the definitions of the progressive resistance exercise? Is a method to increase the ability of muscles. Is a method actually. It's a method of increasing the ability of the muscles. Okay. So इसकी ability जो है of muscles to increase the force. Okay, so it's very important to know that in the definitions क्या होना चाहिए? is a method of increasing the muscles to increase the force. हमको कैसे भी करके force बढ़ाना है. ठीक है, we have to increase the force by which एबिलिटी ऑफ मसल्स से. ठीक है, तो मसल्स की एबिलिटी जो है वो बढ़नी चाहिए ताकि फोर्स बढ़ा सके. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? फोर्स अगर बढ़ रहा है तो सब कुछ ठीक है, जबकि सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है. तो प्रिंसिपल में भी सेम ही बोला है, दैट इज इंक्रीजिंग फोर्स प्रोडक्शन इन मसल्स हैव रिमेन्ड अनचेंज्ड. जितना फोर्स हो चुका है मसल्स में वो चेंज कभी भी नहीं होगा. Similarly, in the principles, 3 points is written down here also. Okay, to perform a small number of repetitions until fatigue. ये जो principles थे वो लाया था डी लॉमी वॉटकिंस, which is 60 years ago का. ये जो principles है of the progressive resistance exercise, उसने बनने से पहले क्या बताया कि ability of the is a method of ability of the muscles to increase the force. Okay, in that particular regions we have to increase the force and the force has remains unchanged. हमको क्या करना है? परफॉर्म करना है स्मॉल नंबर ऑफ रिपीटेशंस. ओके, मे बी अगर बना रहे हैं ये हम देखेंगे, पहले ये देख लेते हैं. until fatigue to allow sufficient rest between the exercise for recovery. Also you know that first of all we have to perform a small number of repetitions, then sufficient rest is necessary also to increase the resistance as ability to generate force increases. I have also attention, this point have to be again repeating. Increase the resistance. This is a very important point. If we increase the resistance, the ability to generate force is also increases. This is very important point. Okay, now we will come into the dynamic and static power testing. This is given again, this principles is also given by D. Lomi Watkins, and dynamic and static power testing is also given by same here. Now RM, what is RM? Okay, now this RM is continued trial and error. ये RM इसलिए होता है to avoid the fatigue. Now 1 RM and 10 RM we will discuss. Okay, over this 1 RM 10 RM we will discuss over here. Okay, so I think principles is very necessary and definitions also. Okay, so 1 RM and 10 RM. Okay, so we can see here we have a 1 RM and 10 RM. RM means repetition maximum. It is repetition maximum. Or if we can take a maximum lifting, we can take. Okay, maximum lifting once only a one lift अगर लिया, suppose only once I am going to take in it that particular lift. Okay, so that is 1 RM. That is the repetition maximum. Okay, when we have taking maximum weight. Okay, and we taking out 10 lifts without any rest. अब रेस्ट नहीं ले रहा है वो 10 लिफ्ट्स उसने लिए. ठीक है, दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट रिपीटेशन मैक्सिमम उसके कितने हो जाएंगे? फिर 10 हो जाएंगे. दे हैव अ 10 रिपीटेशन मैक्सिमम हियर. as I've already I have told you that muscles to increase the force is a method to the ability of the muscles to increase the force. We have to increase the force. Okay, so force is very important in progressive resistance exercises. नाउ वी विल गोइंग टू सी द स्टैटिक पावर टेस्टिंग. अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि आरएम किसके लिए, अवॉइड फटिग, कंटिन्यू ट्रायल एंड एरर. ओके, रिपीटेशन मैक्सिमम में बता दिया कि अगर इसने 10 टाइम्स लिया तो उसके जो मैक्सिमम वेट उसने उठाया विदाउट एनी रेस्ट, दैट इज द 10 आरएम. ओके, नाउ स्टैटिक पावर टेस्टिंग. अब स्टैटिक पावर टेस्टिंग करानी है तो कैसे करेंगे, तो that particular area I am going to discuss with you, recorded by means of spring balance. Okay, now this spring balance again we have going to talk about it. Now this is having the examples of the static power testing. Now with this spring balance, like example, gripping with hand, compression of spring or rubber spare to which suitable pressure recording device is attached may prove convenient. I have told you इसके examples कैसे रहेंगे static power testing के, spring balance, compression of spring, gripping with hand, rubber spare to which, अभी जो rubber spare थे having a rubber spare to which suitable pressure recording devices attached may prove that one. Now अगर हम ये पहली केस देखें recorded by means of spring balance, तो इसके कितने रहेंगे spring balance के 50 to 100 pound मीन्स 25 to 50 kg, 50 से लेकर के 100 पाउंड. अब एक जो केजी होता है दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 2.21 पाउंड. ओके, सो दिस इज द कैलकुलेटिव इन विच वी कैन convert the kg into pound or pound into kg. Okay, so 1 kg is 2.21 pound. We have taken several examples like of the static power testing, that is the spring balance. We have also taken into pound into gripping with hand, compression of that particular spring of it, rubber spare to which suitable pressure recording we have tell you. And also I have told you RM means repetition maximum, which is continued trial and error. To avoid the fatigue, RM is used. Okay, repetition maximum. And I have also told you earlier that progressive resistance exercise की definitions, उसके principles हो गए, dynamic and static power testing. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.